Hey guys, this is Brent with Western Equipment, and today we're going to be giving you a how-to on the Hitch Assist feature on a John Deere 4052R tractor. So stick with us here, we'll get started. So I know the question is, what is Hitch Assist? The Hitch Assist is the feature on this tractor that allows you to hook up your rear implements at the rear of the tractor with the tractor running without being in the seat. So we got a few steps here we'll go through. First thing we want to do is we want to turn the tractor on. We want to raise our loader, make sure and get it up and out of the way. That way when we're moving the tractor, when we're out of the tractor, that way we're not getting into the dirt, getting into the ground there. So we raise it up and out of the way. Next thing we'll do is we'll reach down and we'll engage our parking brake. Make sure you get it good and engaged, then reach up here to your range selector, go down into A range, then we'll go here to our Hitch Assist switch. We'll make sure and switch it on. When it goes on, you'll see the flashers start to flash here. Next thing I'll do is get up and out of the seat. When I get out of the seat, we'll hear some beeps from the tractor. If we hear those, that means it is engaged. So we stand up, we hear those beeps, we know we're engaged. We'll hop out of the tractor, we'll come here to the rear. Say we were to have a box blade or a tiller or maybe our mower, whatever we have back here at the rear. This is where it gets tricky. You get backed up, maybe you're not close enough, maybe your arms aren't in the right position. You can adjust all of those things from right here at the rear. First thing we would do is make sure to get our arms in the right height. So you can adjust that from here. You're going to push in on this knob, turn to the left to raise the arms, push in and go back to the right to lower the arms. Sometimes you have to put a little bit of pressure on them to lower. Once we got our arms in the right height, the next thing we would do is we'd come back around to the side and we have this control panel. This is going to be our engage button, and these are going to be our buttons to go forward and reverse. So to move this tractor back to where we needed to be, we would hold this button, you'd hear the rear alarm, and then we would hold down our reverse button. And as you can see, the tractor slowly moves in reverse to get hooked up to that implement. Say we went a little too far there, we need to go back forward. Same procedure, we'd hold down the engage button and then push our forward button, and from there, holding the buttons at the same time, you'll see the tractor move. And it's as simple as that, guys. I'm going to turn the tractor here off and we'll go over those steps one more time. So as simple as that, makes hooking up your implements quick and easy. So the steps again, when we're in the tractor, we're going to turn it on, raise our loader, get it out of the way. We'll engage our parking brake, put our range selector into A, turn on our Hitch Assist switch, and we get up out of the seat, listen for the beeps. Then we come to the rear. We can adjust our height with this knob. To the left is up, to the right is down. You will have to push that knob in to make sure and engage it. Then to go forward and aft on the tractor, hold down the engage button, forward here, reverse here. Guys, it's as simple as that. That's our quick how-to for the day. I hope you liked it. Let us know your feedback on the comments below and stick around for more videos.